Welcome back to Tililing Friends. Now I am the seeker and I will find all of my friends.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ay, sabo, Brad. Ano ba? Where is my friends?
Tangan naman yung voice, no?
Oh.
Kanang second voice ba? Mo lang voice para ma-appeal. Ayun.
A few moments later.
Where's all my friends? Bang Christian, Bang Ezekiel, Bang Jeff, ay, Jok. Oh, sakita, tiyan eh, napakpumpo.
Kasi nadakpan.
Ako.
Kasi nadakpan.
Ako.
Asa jok. Kasi
Ako.
nadakpan. Yes. Kasi nadakpan.
Tingnan ako. Bang Jeff. Ikaw.
Kasi nadakpan.
Tililing. Bang Bobo.
Kasi nadakpan.
Ako lang. Tililing.
Mana?
Another one.
Now we're playing hide and seek with my friends, bro. Hey!
3, 2, 1, go!
As you can see, I'm the seeker today. If they win the last round, I'll give them this candy, the coins one. You can see I have an accent of Poundy Duk Duk. Tililing! Tililing!
Pwede ibo.
As you can see, this is Tililing! Bamboo! Tililing! The Tililing friends. You can see, I found out Ezekiel and Christian. Tililing! As you can see, the last people is now Manawas Jok. I found boys. Tililing! Now one is. Now the last one here you wins. Tililing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bang!